As we mark a 26th year of unbroken democracy, it is right to honor those who have made sacrifices in the past, braving all odds and the guns to ensure we have a regime of democracy in our country. In this light, I announce the conferment of posthumous honors of CAFR on Kudirat Abiola. The heroine of our June 12th struggle. I also confer posthumous honor on Sheikh Musa Yadra, GCFR, and Professor Humphrey Nwosu, CON, Rear Admiral Kano, CON, Balarabe Musa, CFR, Paul Alfred Riwani, CFR, Bagabda Kato, OON, Shimaubani, OON, Dr. Bekora Samkuchi, CON, Alao Akabashorum, CON, Chief Franco Kori, CON, Ima Ezeazu, Bamin, COON, Bamindele Aturu, OON, Frederick Fashim, CON, Professor Festus Iyayi, CON, Dr. John Yimasen, OON, Alaja Sawaba Gambo, CON, Dr. Edwin Madunagu, CON, Dr. Alex Ibru, CON, Shibola Ige, CFR, Paruben Fasoronti, CFR, Senator Ayofasomi, CON, Senator Polycarp Mwite, CON, and Dr. Nuruddin Oluwopopo, CON. I also have the honor to confer on Professor Soyinka, GCON, Professor Olatunji Dare, CON, the journalist and journalism teacher, Kunle Ajibade, OON, Noza Igebo, Dapo Olonyomi, Bayo Nanuga, CON, Ayo Obe, Oni, Dare Babarisa, CON, Bishop Mazi Azam Kukah, CON, Senator Sonny Shehu Sonny, CON, Governor Basoni, CON, Barrister Femi Falana, SAN, CON, Professor Shafidin Namowo, CON, Owe Lakemfa, OON, Barrister Luke Aganeno, OON, Senator Tokumbo Afikuyomi, CON, Labram Maku, OON, Kade Komolafe, OON, Dr. Tuji Alausa, OON, Honorable Abdul Oru, OON, Odia Mfem, OON, Sheye Kinde, CON, Barrister Felix Muka, CON, Barrister Ledumite, CON, Honorable Olawale Osun, CON, Dr. Amos Akingba, CON, Professor Segun Gbadegesin, CON, Bolaji Akinyemi, Professor Bolaji Akinyemi, CFR, Dr. Kayode Sonoike, CON, Julius Nyambere, CON. Lieutenant General Ikuola Arani Akinriyade, retired, GZON. Professor Bayo Williams, CON. Senator Abu Ibrahim, CFR. Senator Ame Bute, CFR. Additionally, I confer the national honor of CON on Uncle Sam Amuka Pemo, a legendary journalist and the publisher who remained true to his lifetime calling as he marks his 90th birthday tomorrow, June 13th. Furthermore, I also confer posthumous national honor on Ken Saro-Wiwa, CON. He was the leader of Goni 9 with his fellow travelers, Sunday Dobby, OON, Noduemo, OON, Daniel Boko, OON, Paul Levera, OON, Felix Owete, OON, Barbara, OON, Barian Kobel, OON, John Kupen, OON. I shall also be exercising my prerogative of mercy under the prerogative of mercy to grant these national heroes a full pardon. Together with other names that shall be announced later in the conjunction with the National Council of State.